Hi, and welcome to the first day of Christmas gifts, junk journal types of Christmas gifts. This is day 1 of 12. I'm so excited you're here to join me, and we're starting off with a bang. This is a Flowish type journal, and I'm actually going to send it off to just Julie. I will have her YouTube channel down below. Her and I months ago said, hey, it'd be really fun if we did Flowish journals and swapped them, because I've collected a lot of things and I know she has, and it would be kind of fun to swap. Well, of course, life gets in the way and neither one of us have been able to do it. But then when this 12 Days of Christmas project came along and it was gifts for junk journalers, I thought, well, this is the time. This is perfect. And it is huge. It'll be interesting sending this through the mail. But I hope she likes it. Let's jump in. I have this crocheted kind of ribbon as the closure that I'm hoping that Julie can then use in her junk journals. Everything about a Flowish journal is stuff that you send and then the recipient is able to take apart and then use in their journals or paper crafting. This cover, I really like how this turned out. This is a file folder, and I covered it with some Tim Holtz bird decoupage paper, and underneath there was this script, and then I went over with the music sheet from the decoupage paper, and I just think it looks really cool. And then I distressed it with some not sure which color, but one of the distress oxides. And then I did some Mod Podge over it, and it has this really nice texture and it's pretty durable, so I think it'll be perfect for this journal. All right, so there's 2 signatures. I'm sitting down. Hopefully I'm still in frame. There we go. 2 signatures. Everything she's able to take out and use. So yeah, here we go. Okay, I folded the file folder, my goodness, in, and so then this is a pocket and this is a pocket. I didn't want to cover the music paper, so I didn't put anything in this first pocket. And then to start it off, I have this really cool vellum paper and a peacock napkin. This is from an older book about Christmas in December. And then I have some vintage, or retro, I guess it would be retro, wrapping paper that I found a while back at a thrift store. And I have a pocket. And in here, there are some tags from different digital kits. There's some Tsunami Rose throughout and Calico Collage throughout this journal. And then I had this really cool poinsettia ribbon in my stash that I thought was just beautiful. And then some retro wallpaper that I attached it to. This is a Tsunami Rose digital kit that I had coffee dyed. And I coffee dyed an envelope. And I made a tag, did some stitching on the tag. And that's in here. And just with a cool clip that I have it attached. And then I have this fun, funky cloth ribbon. And then this is a sample fabric, couldn't think of the word, scrapbook paper. And then I have a bunch of these really cool playing cards. Just love them. I have that attached to some coffee dyed paper. This is a Calico Collage digital. I have this really sweet embroidery that I found that I added in, and some lace, music sheet, some more wallpaper, a coffee dyed doily, book from a nature book, music sheet. And then, since this kind of reminds me of the days that I did swaps, pocket page swaps, I thought, well, wouldn't it be fun to add a pocket page within the Flowish journal? So in here I have some cards that I printed from different digital kits. This is from a 50 state book. It's an older book, and since I live in Arizona, I thought I would send the Arizona page, some Christmas pages. Oh, I can't think of the artist's name. Anyway, it's a book with her, Albright? No, what is it? Mary Engelbright. That's right. Oops. I found that recently. And then I have this retro kitchen design and an older postcard. Let's see if there's a date. No date. Bummer. Another one of the pages. I have a fun Christmas tree. I did some Christmas, but I didn't want it all to be Christmas because who knows, she might want to, you know, use other things. So I did do some. This is a printout from a digital kit. And here's some more of the goodies in the pockets. These are old cards that I've had in my stash. Oh, now I can't get them back in. There we go. And different ephemera, some eyelash trim, other side of the papers, other side of the really pretty thing. Here I made a pocket just using a piece of paper and a paper clip. I have animals that are wanting to come in and out. Hi, kitten. Let me let her in. Come on, kitten. In or out. Alright, so a while back I made these burlap flowers and I just attached them really simply so she could take them off and use them in her crafty. I used a garment clip and this really pretty lace I had in my stash. Here's a little pocket I made with the wrapping paper. Another digital kit. Alright, so here I made a little temporary pocket using a Freckled Fawn envelope, and it's really neat because it has a zipper, and in here I put a bunch of goodies. I have different ephemera pieces in the envelope and some ribbon, sari silk, washi, and oh, I don't even know, little jingle bells and fun little things. And I thought that was just perfect to go in this zippered pouch that she can take out and use at another time. More Christmas paper, some more lace, just paper clipped. Again, everything is very temporary. Another napkin, isn't that pretty? And it's attached to Little Women. This is wallpaper, not wallpaper, wrapping paper that I found, and it was really cool. It came in this book at a thrift store. I found it. Oh, now let me shut the door. Oh, and I'm losing lights. Oh, good grief. In or out, animals? In or out? Hold on. I'm going to put my lights back on. Alright, this is from an old cookbook, and it's neat because it has clippings and writing from the lady that used it. Some stickers that I had in my stash, a journaling card, ribbon, some fun fabric, another calico collage, more garden fabric, another napkin. Here's another pocket, and it's a greeting card, and then this was in the cookbook. More fabric. another calico collage. And here is a little pocket I made with some ephemera. I simply just attached these pieces here so you can take them off. And some tags that I made. More fabric, some more digital printouts, a crochet doily. And look at, isn't that cool? So cool. And then here's a pocket I made, and I gave her some rickrack. I tell you, you press record, and then the animals and everyone wants to join. See how full it is? You can't get to the back. And these are the other parts. And here I have some recipe cards, a cutout, a little tag I made. And this is the Gigantor Flowish journal. If you would like to see how I actually made the cover or put this together, give me a comment below. I think it's a really fun way to swap with a fellow junk journaler. Super cool. It's a great way to exchange your stash and try different things, and I don't know, I had a really good time making this journal. It was really fun. All right, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. Tomorrow will be day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Junk Journal Edition. Thanks so much. Have a great holiday season. Bye-bye.